As you can see, my 1999 Chevy Prizm takes R134A refrigerant, so that's what I'm going to be using. First, I need to find the low pressure service port. It's almost always between the compressor and the firewall. And so there's the firewall. Follow the tubing out this way. And here's my high pressure service port, which I'm not going to use. Here's my low pressure service port, and I know that because the low pressure service port is always on the larger diameter aluminum tubing. Now I need to start the engine. I'm going to let it run for a minute. Then I'll turn on the AC and I'll turn it on high. Now I'm going to turn on the air conditioning full. Now to get an accurate charge reading, I have to make sure my compressor is running. So I have to make sure the center of my pulley on the compressor is spinning, which it is right now. I can see it. Now we're going to shake the can really good before we start. I'm going to set the dial to the ambient temperature on this gauge here, which here it's about 70 degrees. Actually maybe only between 65 and 70. So those two red lines will tell me when the system's fully charged, or if it is. First, on this brand of recharge, I need to take off the top, the pressure gauge. And remove this little plastic dealy bob, and then this will be punctured when I screw this on. Okay, let's see what my pressure is. First I'll pull this back and put it on. So as you can see, my charge pressure is low. I don't want to overfill it, but I need to shake the bottle back and forth as I fill it. Okay, as you can see, the refrigerant is pretty much up there to that top red line, so it should be full now. Okay, now I'm going to remove it. Okay, now I'm testing the air. It feels nice and cold. Even when I turn it up high, yeah, that feels good. So let's hope there's not a leak in there and it just slowly had lost its charge, and it should be good to go for a while. Okay, all appears to be good, so I'm going to put the cap back on. One last note of importance. My bottle wasn't empty when I was done, so I'm going to store this, and to do that I have to leave this reusable dispenser on it, because if I try to take it off, the refrigerant will come out of the bottle. Be sure to thoroughly read the instructions on any product that you use.
Yo, see all my videos and music videos on YouTube on the Psychato channel. Do it.